أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. إن الحمد لله تعالى نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا. من يهد الله فلا هادي له ومن يضلل فلا مضل له وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأن محمدا عبده ورسوله صلى الله عليه وسلم. يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم الذي خلقكم من نفس واحدة وخلق منها زوجها وبث منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء واتقوا الله الذي تسألون به والأرحام إن الله كان عليكم رقيبا. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا إخوان وإخوات في دين الإسلام. كل شيء بخير على هذا اليوم الحمد لله. أنا في البيت الآن وأنا ذكر الله سبحانه وتعالى كثيرا إن شاء الله تعالى، وأنتم أيضا جميعا إن شاء الله ذكر الله سبحانه وتعالى دائما، بسبب هو عظيم. الله سبحانه وتعالى هو العظيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. Allah is just great. He's I'm just so grateful for him creating me as a Muslim. I lived a life about 26 years, give or take, a few days or months of being a non-Muslim, and I did a lot of sins, but I know that once you come to Islam, all of those things get wiped away, and you start with a clean slate. And I just thank Allah for that mercy, for who knows, what would happen to me if I would have had a mindset of being like, man, I did so much wrong. How am I going to get to heaven? You had to carry that stuff with you, into your new start, but it's good that Allah gives you that new start and gives you the chance, to make your way into Jannah, inshallah. And I pray that all of you make it to Jannah, and may Allah bless us all to enter Jannah, and see each other in paradise, enjoy each other's company, May Allah allow us to pray salats together, each and every Muslim. I would love to just pray with you guys, inshallah. May Allah just let me meet as many Muslims as possible, man. This is the beautiful religion, and I'm just grateful, for being here 34 years. Today is my 34th year on earth completed, and I'm starting my 35th year today, alhamdulillah. I ain't been in touch with you guys for a while, but I just wanted to make a video and just remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and just tell you, man, I love you for the sake of Allah, and may Allah bless you all with pious spouses, and may He also bless you all to be successful in this life and the next. May He bless you all to raise pious mu'mineen children that know the religion of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that know Tawheed, inshallah. And may Allah just allow us to get closer to Him, and to guide us to what's correct and true and straight, and to help us follow the Sunnah of Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, inshallah, and His righteous companions, and to help us to try to live up to those standards, even though we're going to fall short. But, we human beings, so we just can't despair in the mercy of Allah, as only the disbelievers do so, so we must remember Allah's mercy, but at the same time, fear Him and try to stay away from the things that He does not like, inshallah. So may Allah make that easy for us, and I love you guys all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.